Hey guys, it's ChefBoyarT. We back at it. We chilling. It's a rainy day, boring, tired. So tonight we're gonna make fried chicken. KFC ain't got shit on me. Feel me? So here's what we got here. This is just a season right now. We ain't cooked or nothing. It's just what it's gonna marinate. Got some pepper, sazon, adobo, garlic salt. That's about it. Yeah. But that right there is gonna turn out to be amazing. So once we put that in the fryer, we're gonna put that in the fryer. But once we do, I'm gonna show you what's up. And this is about to be crazy. We got breaded up here and everything. I'm gonna show you how we do all that. And then we're gonna put it in the fryer, fry it up, and then you'll see what happens afterwards. Cause you already know it's gonna come out great. ChefBoyarT, KFC ain't got shit on me. That's some real talk too. So I'll be back with you in a second. Alright guys, so I put the eggs in the chicken, right? Get that nice and gooey. I'm gonna let that sit for a second. I got this grease getting hot. This just getting hot slowly, you know what I mean? I got this for the flour. I'll do that before, I put everything. So I'll do that. And then it'll be on the road. But I'm gonna let this sit for about 5 minutes so that it can marinate in that. So I'll get back with you when that's done. Hey look, even my cat wants to cook. Meow. Kitty, you wanna cook? You wanna cook, Spaz? Let's go. Let's cook. Alright, so I got some rice out to make some rice with this. Although it sucks because I don't have that much sazon. So it's kind of like whatever. But anyway, I mix that together. Put some garlic salt, sazon, and adobo. So that we got the green beans heating up. We got the water heating up for the rice. We got the oil right here ready. All this and all that's ready. So I'm gonna let, oh shit, I'm gonna have to get a stick, oh man. So I'm gonna let this heat up and that heat up. I'm gonna get this off ready. And then I'm gonna start breading this chicken, so give me a second. So right now I'm gonna start breading this stuff up. Get a plate. That way, that's cool. I'm gonna turn this grease up high. I got these green beans up kind of high. I got this rice water. Rice water up pretty high as well. So I'm letting that do its thing. I'm gonna wait for it to boil and for this butter to melt because I don't have no more oil. So I had to use butter in this water. Now you can do whatever you want for your rice. I just figured it'd be a good meal to have rice with. And I'm making it by scratch, so it's not out the box or anything. So what you have to do is you have to put like a teaspoon or a tablespoon of oil in your rice thing. And if you don't have that, you can put some margarine or stick butter. I'm using a piece of stick butter. And then also I'm gonna put some of that stick butter in my green beans after they're all done. So they're getting soft in that water. That's melting. This is getting hot. And then I'm gonna do this and this, put them together, be ready. So let's do this. Take this off. Bam, bam. Take one of these pieces of chickens. I'll bring it up so y'all see what's going on. Take one of these pieces of chickens. nice and lathered up on there. Get your other chicken. Like I said, KFC ain't got nothing on me. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Get your other piece here. So there we go. That's that. So a good bit of flour, I don't need it. I'm just gonna make sure this stuff's on here good. Pretty nasty shit, if you ask me. Since we have extra shit, I'm just doing it again. That's all. Because I want to make sure it's extra crispy, you know? So that's what I'm doing. Put it in there. Bam, bam. One more. And then grease is getting hot. I can hear it. Alright. So there's that. I'm gonna turn these down. Actually, I'm gonna stir this up a little bit here. Turn the camera over a little bit so you see what's going on. Hopefully you don't fall down. Sorry guys, this is not a good spot. Not a good spot. Just moving these green beans around, you know? Yeah, maybe it'd be better. How about this? There you go. Just moving them babies around. I might turn it down just a tiny bit. Down there, there you go. Put the lid back onto that baby. This is melted. That's exactly what we want. Awesome. Stir that around a little bit. See all that melting butter? Perfect. I'm gonna let that boil. And I'm gonna pour my rice in there. This is gonna be hot. So I'm gonna get, I got that medium high, actually I'm gonna get a little bit higher. There you go. Get this out of here. Do all that. Just look and see what I want getting this, put the chicken on when it's done. It's gonna be greasy. What do you want? What do you want? What? What do you got boiled over there? Everything? That's good. Glad she said that. So, and just pour that rice in there. I'll let that sit in there for a minute here. Stir it around. Yeah. Turn it down just a tad bit because it is a lot. It's actually redder than I thought, so that's cool. It works. So once you pour your rice in, after you gotta wait for your shit to boil. So once your water starts boiling, throw your rice in, and while it's gonna stop boiling once you throw your rice in. But once you throw your rice in, just keep stirring that crap for a minute straight. Don't let go. It's gonna take a good minute for it all to cook. So what I'm doing is I'm just stirring it for that minute, and then when I'm done with this stirring, I'm gonna put the lid on and put it down to simmer for I think 30 minutes. We're gonna see. I think it's like 26 or so to be exact, but I'll just do it for like 30 minutes, check on it. But you don't want to touch it. Ouch, shit's hot. You don't want to touch it, you know what I mean? After it simmers, you just let that thing go and let it simmer. So there we go. Be careful if you do this. Bam. Done. This now. Wait, let me I set the timer, kitchen timer for 30 minutes. That way, don't overdo it or nothing like that. I put the thing down to low. I'm gonna drain these soon, but actually I'm gonna drain these right now. Drain that. Put that here for 1 second. Shit. after almost burning the house down, this is what we're coming out with. Here, let me turn. Got some of the rice. I'm gonna stir that up in a little bit here. I'm gonna let this other stuff get good. We got green beans. And then you got the chicken. I know it's not supposed to be like that. It's supposed to be in another thing, but you know, it happens. Either way, it's still gonna be good. So once that's all good, I'll be back with you and I'll show you the finished product. So you know, I always show you guys the finished product of everything that I do. You know, we got it. But if I really want to show you the real finished product, it's out. Fried chicken, green beans, and some rice. Now say, yeah, I know the rice, it looks a little mushy, but you know, it's because we had to wait for so long for this stupid chicken because I messed it up the first time. So, but this is what the meal looks like. I did have help from my mom, so thank her too. But to me, it looks like a hell of a meal. So with that being said, I hope you guys have a great ChefBoyarT once again. I'm out here. I'm out of this dang video. About to go eat this meal. Share the video to your friends and family. You know, talk about the videos. Talk about the page, you know. Share it on your Instagram, all that. So do all that, you know, and I appreciate it all. But I hope y'all have a good night, and I'll see y'all later.